Welcome back everyone to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a fast and easy vegan mug cake. So this is a great sweet snack that you can have if you're having some type of cravings. But with that said, let's go ahead and show you the ingredients. So first thing we have is some chia seeds, we got some black beans, some water, cacao powder, we're using some Garbanzo bean flour, some sugar-free maple syrup, almond milk, vanilla extract, some baking powder, and some chocolate chips, which is 100% vegan. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our chia seeds and we're going to place this into the water and let it sit there for a good 5 minutes, okay? This is really going to make the chia seeds more softer and open them up, okay? Now while we're waiting, we're going to go ahead and get our food processor and add the rest of the ingredients inside, okay? So that's going to be our black beans, our cacao, Garbanzo flour, our sugar-free syrup, and our plant-based milk, our vanilla extract, baking powder, and then our chocolate chips. And then what I'm going to do as well is add a tad bit of our stevia, a little bit of stevia, actually just a little bit of sprinkle, like that. And we're going to go ahead and blend it together. Alright, so now we're going to turn it off. Go ahead and check the batter. Make sure everything is nice and mixed, so that looks like a good mixture. So what we're going to do now is just continue to wait for the chia seeds. So already 2 minutes passed by, so we're going to wait 3 more minutes. We're going to just mix it a little bit into the water. Just going to wait a little bit more, and then we're going to continue the baking. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our chia seeds into the batter. So as you can see, the chia seeds are now a lot bigger, and when you touch them, it should have like this weird like jelly consistency, so nice and soft. So we're going to go ahead and add that in there and then do another blend. Add the batter into small little cups. Alright, so what we're going to do next is go ahead and take our mug cake and then add it into a microwave. Now I'm going to do this separate just so each one can cook evenly. So I'm going to place it in like that and then put 1 minute. Alright, let's take it out. Alright, so it's nice and hot. Right, looks just like this. Now what we did is you have to let it sit and wait for about 5 minutes for it to cool down. So with the other one we did let it cool down, and we're going to go ahead and try it out. So it's just like that. Let's go ahead and try it. Tastes really good actually. Really, really good. What? This is fire. Yeah, I really like this. Well, with that said, this is how you make a high protein vegan mug cake. Again, if you like and enjoyed this video, just check the description box down below if you want to learn about the ingredients as well with the recipe. And then again, if you do like this video, go ahead, comment, like, and also tag your friends down below in the comment section. Again, my name is Sutton. Enjoy.